Are you looking for some last minute gift ideas? Well, I've got something for you. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. All right, everybody, I'm super excited about the video today. We are going to be showing you some gifting ideas that you can get for just about anybody. And one of my favorite parts when you go into Target is definitely Dollar Spot. And they have some very cool things that I think everybody should grab. Now, this is such a great gift idea if you've got somebody that is a chef or somebody that likes to cook. This cookie set, this could be really fun for the kids too, right? So it's going to come with 3 different cookie cutters. That big label there is kind of hiding these. And then you've got that little rolling pin. This was only $3. This is a great little stocking stuffer idea. This I thought was super, super cute as well. This is a hard kind of a plastic case, but this is a little travel jewelry box. And I thought that that was super, super cute because it's got spots for your rings and it is plastic, but it's soft. So you could definitely put a ring in there. You could put bracelets, earrings, necklaces, super, super fun. And it's got a mirror on the top there. There's the mirror real quick. I didn't want to blind everybody. And this was $3. $3. Such a great little gifting idea. It's got that cute little bow on the front. So definitely something fun for stocking. This I thought was really fun for an office or something. I think I'm going to put it together and maybe just pop it back up here on my backdrop. But this little kind of building block set that kind of makes this little Christmas tree or this little holiday tree. Super, super cute. Really loved this. I think this was like $1. Yeah, it was $1 and something that could be very fun if you've got somebody maybe that just doesn't want to celebrate, or maybe you're looking for something for your office. This calendar countdown was super cute. You've got this little snowflake here that or this snowflake, star and snowflake. I guess it's both, right? Yeah. This is really cute. So as you're getting closer to Christmas, this is something that you can definitely count down and kind of enjoy. What I thought was really cool about this, honestly, is I don't know why you couldn't very easily make this into a DIY. I mean, you could still kind of create the cityscape with it and, still have the countdown of the numbers. But if you had a Cricut, you could free paint, you could hand paint, you could do anything that you want with this. You could even just cover it with some really cool paper and just have a countdown that way. It could be really, really fun. Super cute idea. Great accent. And this one was $5. Speaking of additional stocking stuffers, I want to give a big, big thank you to today's video sponsor, Ultima Replenisher, for sponsoring this video. Now, if you're trying to stay hydrated without all of the junk that most electrolyte drinks try and sneak in, Ultima Replenisher is the one to reach for. Now, it is a daily electrolyte mix that keeps things balanced. There's no sugar, there's no calories, there's no carbs, and it's also low in sodium. Now, instead of going overboard like some of those other brands do, Ultima gives you the 6 essential electrolytes that your body actually needs every single day. I know personally I have been on a weight loss journey. I'm down 55 pounds, and this is a great way for me to stay hydrated. Now, every flavor is sweetened with organic stevia leaf and made with plant-based colors and flavors. It's vegan, it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, it's soy-free, it's keto and paleo-friendly. And with vitamin C, magnesium, and zinc, it supports your wellness routine so you stay hydrated and refreshed without all the spikes or crashes. And for me, again, I've been working out a lot and this is perfect for me. And also because it's the holiday season, this honestly makes the perfect stocking stuffer or as just a fun little add-on for your holiday gifts. Now, it's practical, it tastes great, and everybody loves something that they can actually use. Now, even better, Ultima Replenisher is now available at Target stores nationwide, and you can find it in both the grocery aisle and the health and wellness aisle. And this holiday season, this is kind of my favorite time to shop. So why not get some while you're out? So if you are grabbing those holiday essentials, toss one of these in your cart. Head to a Target store near you to stay hydrated with Ultima Replenisher. There were all kinds of really, really cute ornaments. And I saw this one and it was the only one that was left. So I had to go with the pink one. I don't know if this even came in any other colors or not, but it is a tin of caviar. And this is about the only caviar that I can afford. And this was $1. And so it definitely fit the budget. But how cute is this? Just how cute is this? It says caviar there. It's got the pink little pearls, which of course is glitter. And they had so many great ornament sets. Like I was really, really surprised at the number of ornament sets that they had in the Dollar Spot area. Now, Target Dollar Spot did also have a lot of really, really cute ornament sets. They had these that were available in these 3 different types, which I thought were super, super cute. I really loved this one. I loved the little sign and the door. These were definitely cute and such a good value. There were also these ornaments that I thought were super fun. They almost had this kind of really cool vintagey feel. Now, I don't know if these were already picked through or if these were just kind of what was remaining. They were $1 each and they had such a cool vibe. Now, there was also all kinds of really cool home decor. And, the home decor, you can get it really anywhere within the store itself. But they also had these wooden train sets. And these wooden train sets I thought were adorable. I'm going to assume that this one is the kind of main engine here. And then I don't want this to fall out. It's okay. This is part of the train. You could actually get 3 different parts. I don't know if there's more, but you had this kind of section here. And then I did get another section that I thought was really cute. Whoopsie, backwards. And they have these great big stickers here that kind of cover everything up, but you can kind of get the idea here of what this piece of the train is. I didn't want to rip that open because I do want to save this packaging for later on. But so I can pack them back up, after the holidays. But how cute is that? Something that was, each little section was $5 and just a fun, kind of a different, unique way to kind of decorate. They also had something that I thought was adorable, first of all. It is a holiday dollhouse or a dollhouse. Now, it's a kind of a section of a dollhouse. And they did have dollhouse furniture and stuff. But I was thinking to myself, like, why couldn't this be a tiered tray alternative? So you could buy like this one was the most kind of generic looking, I guess, because of the wood and then the pink. But why couldn't you just, and this was $5, by the way. This is kind of what it looks like when it's all put together. But why couldn't you paint this, decorate this up, and then use this as your tiered tray and have something that's very, very unique and very, very different. And then when I went down to the craft area, they also had a lot of other really fun things there. This dollhouse was kind of over in the craft section, and I thought that this was super, super cute. And I was thinking to myself, like, why couldn't something like this also be used as a tiered tray alternative? You could paint this, you could have wallpaper in it, you could do a lot of fun things. I love these. Is it the Mondo Llama sets? These look so good, and if I could paint them and make them look this good, I would definitely get them. I could not believe how fun these look. These are all DIY paint and paper kits. Such a fun way to do the holidays. And this one I'm definitely interested in and love it so much. Now, when I was looking in the Dollar Spot, I also saw this amazing coffee mug. Look how cute this is. This was $5. Look how big that is. And I just loved the kind of ski print on it. I love a big giant cup of coffee in the morning. I also love one in the evening, decaf, of course. And this was cute, but I have to tell you, this didn't even start off what was going on in the coffee mugs in general at Target. I had to get it. I absolutely had to get this one. How cute is this? I'm going to take the tape off here and hope that it doesn't spring from my hands and crash to the earth. But I mean, first of all, that's a nice sized cup of coffee or tea. And then you've got this little protective piece of paper in there. The lady that was at Target, she didn't wrap any of these up. And I was just like, oh my God. But I could have asked, but I didn't. I was going to be careful. But look how sweet. Oh my gosh, look how sweet this is. So cute. And again, it was $5. I think that's what the sign said. $5. So cute. Now, right across from where all of the coffee mugs, or at least with this end cap of coffee mugs, they had the cutest things like in the kind of cleaning area, I guess you can say, of the store. I thought that these were it's such a fun department. I was kind of shocked, actually. And there were some really fun items in there. Holiday scrub daddies, yes, please. Here's a set of 4 that's really cute and very adorable for $9.99. These were also great gift ideas, but I thought these could even be fun, like hostessing gifts. If you know somebody that's a Lego lover, what a fun way to kind of bring something that's holiday inspired to their house. Such a fun, cute idea. Of course, we had to look for Wicked items while we were there. They had this great stocking. Whoa! So kind of circling back to some of the other dollar spot things that I grabbed, I, of course, had to get socks. You know I'm going to get socks. They had these brown gingerbread men socks. And the brown sock is perfect for me because I do like to, wear kind of a somewhat normal looking sock, I guess you could say, when, wearing my pants or whatever. But definitely when wearing my pants. But these were really long. So I don't know if these were, and the tag just like shot out somewhere. Of course, I had to find our Ultima replenisher. This is today's video sponsor. Wanted to check and make sure they had these sets where you can get 14 packages. They had them in a lot of different flavors. Definitely a fun stocking stuffer. And they also had this item, which I thought was kind of cute. And it's a cookies and milk set. And it's like a little carton of milk, and it does say milk for Santa. And then it's got a little tray for your cookies. This was $5 as well. Great little gift idea. This could be a fun, even little teacher gift idea. Something that could be used very sweetly. And then if you were wanting to put together, gift set of some kind, like how fun could something like this be, right? This coffee mug that I got. And then also from the dollar spot was this little marshmallow dispenser. And this was $5. You could combine these together with a thing of marshmallows. And I mean, this little dispenser, you could fill this up with anything you want. Obviously, marshmallows are kind of what this is marketing here. But together, how cute are these? Super cute. And this, again, $5 and $5. That's a $10 gift idea. Buy a little bag of marshmallows or something, and you've got something that's super cute. Now, this was another item that I found that was also in the dollar spot section. I promise I shopped outside the dollar spot, but this cute little crock. Now, this is a food safe crock, by the way. On the bottom of this, it does say it's food safe, and it's oven safe up to 350 degrees. It's also dishwasher safe, and that you should wash it before you use it. But if you're just looking for like a little crock, maybe for like a soup, a French onion soup or something like this, this could also be a really cool gift idea because you could easily fill this up with, those bags of soup that they kind of sell during the holidays that are kind of all pre-seasoned and everything. Maybe you've got somebody that is like, I think about my grandmother when she was alive, my grandmother Dot. She lived in a it's escaping me, but it was kind of like an elder care facility. And she kind of had her own apartment, but she also had a very small kitchen area. She had a little like toaster oven. She had some things like that. But like something like this would have been a perfect size for her, because she could have put this in her, I think it said microwave. It did not say microwave. She could not put this in her microwave, otherwise she'd have problems. But it is food safe, it is dishwasher safe, and she could put it in her toaster oven because it does go up to 350 degrees. So that could be a fun, just kind of little gift idea in itself. There were all kinds of gift ideas at Target. I was absolutely blown away with the selection of just gifts in general. There were adorable, adorable sets that you could have used as home decor. Like, they were so beautiful. And there was a really cute, like, Jack in the Box kind of inspired one. There was a little village, just all kinds of really fun things. That's one of my favorite aisles whenever I am shopping. Then, of course, we need to get our little sweet treats, because, you know, all of those are going to be fun. I just grabbed this one as an impulse. This was a Dubai-style chocolate, so I'm going to try that because I've heard all this rage about Dubai chocolate, but I've not ever really tried it. I did have a Dubai chocolate-inspired martini, and it was okay. So we'll see if this one is okay. I mean, it's okay. I don't know what else to say. It's okay. It kind of tastes like chocolate and shredded wheat is combined together. So does that make you say yum? There are also some Hershey's Kisses that were holiday inspired. So this particular one, I have a little dish that's shaped like a little Christmas tree, a little candy dish that I'll put out. And I'll put these Snickerdoodle Kisses, Hershey's Kisses, in those. And then the Sugar Cookie Kisses, because why would I not want to just tempt myself while I'm laying there watching videos? And then I had heard that these were just impossible to find, these Little Debbie Christmas trees, and that these were really, really hard to find in the stores, but I guess I lucked out because I found a whole end cap of them. So I'm going to try these at some point. I'm not going to try them now because I just had that chocolate. But the Little Debbie Christmas trees, yeah, they could be, excuse me, the chocolate. They could be really cute if, you know, you have a friend that maybe is into these and you want to stick these down in their stocking. They also come individually wrapped, so you could split them up if you wanted to. All right, everybody, that is my Target haul today. Lots of great little fun ideas, and I didn't spend a lot of money, actually. I got everything here, plus I grabbed like a Caesar salad, and I grabbed some whipped cream, and I grabbed some caramel sauce that I'm using for my kind of Thanksgiving dinner. And they all together, I don't even think I spent $85 here. So definitely something to look at. Some really fun gift ideas if you could be super creative with some of them. And then, of course, the fun coffee mugs and things. So, all right, guys, that's it. Take care. And I hope you have a fantastic holiday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to come. More videos coming, of course, soon. And we'll chat soon. All right, guys. Bye-bye.